Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine and happy right now. Now we are going to cover the last two subtopics of kingdom fungi, and the two subtopic name is Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. The very simple name of these two mycetes has also been given over here. Basidiomycetes is also known as club fungi, means the upper part is just like club, or you can say club like structure. Have you seen the you can say the bodybuilder in Indian akhada use a log of wood? This log of wood is look like this is called club. So the fungi just have a structure like a club, that's why it is called club like fungi. Sorry. Now we are going to study about the different features of Basidiomycetes. Hope you will understand all the things. Now first of all, the mycelium is branched and septate, means a single hyphae has several branches like this. This is the branch from the both side, so they have a lots of branch from the all part of the body. Yeah, this kind of branches can be seen, means it make a structure just like a cluster of female hair. Yeah, so mycelium is branched and obviously septate. I hope you understand the meaning of septate. Means each and every cell is get separated by a septum, or you can say by the cell wall at the middle. So you can see these are the different cells separated. So the mycelium is branched and septate. How do they reproduce? They can have the three different kinds of reproduction, means vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, as well as sexual reproduction. Means asexual reproduction is mostly not seen. Means they do mostly two kinds of reproduction: vegetative reproduction and sexual mode of reproduction. So what is called vegetative reproduction? In vegetative reproduction, the vegetative body, or means the body of the organism, get divided into several pieces, and each pieces can able to grow into a new organism. So this method of vegetative reproduction is called fragmentation. Means the body get fragmented, means get convert into several pieces, and each piece is able to grow into a new organism. Hope you understood. So vegetative mode of reproduction is done by fragmentation. So how do sexual mode of reproduction? No, there is no any kind of sexual mode of reproduction or sexually producing spores are found in Basidiomycetes. So how they do the sexual mode of reproduction? The sexual mode of reproduction is done by the fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells, means body cells. Normal body cells of two different you can say category. Suppose one is positive and one is negative, positive for the male and negative for the female, get fused together. Means the two different morphology of two cells will be just different, although they are somatic cells. Somatic cells means body cells. They have somatic cells, but the polarity of the somatic cells are different. Suppose it is a mycelium and it is another mycelium. So this mycelium grow a small structure, and this mycelium also grow another structure, and the two mycelium get fused over here, and after fusion they make a spore like body, and this spore like body is called basidospore or basidium. It is suppose the male mycelium, it is suppose the female mycelium. Understood? So it is very simple. Sexual reproduction is done by two vegetative or somatic cells, means body cells, means there is no any kind of separate gamete formation seen over here. Simple, the body cells fuse together as gamete and form a spore, and this spore is called basidospores, and that's why the name is given over here, Basidomycetes. It is a club-like structure. So basidospores, and this basidospores is also called basidium. In this basidospores, the cell undergo meiosis cell division, and after the meiosis cell division, they produce a lots of small spore-like structure, and this spore-like structure burst out and give grow into a new organism. Although somewhere a new kind of structure can be seen. This forms a fruiting body, another fruiting body like sporangiospore. It is different in different kinds of organisms. So that much is needed to be studied, that is given over here. Okay. So basidospores are produced in basidium. Basidospores are produced in the basidium by developing a fruiting body called basidocarp. So there are different kinds of basidium. Two vegetative cells get fused, form basidium, and in basidium basidospores form, and the basidospores help in the formation of fruiting body, and this fruiting body is called basidocarp. Understood? Again, try to understand this topic. Suppose there is a negative and positive kind of segments that comes out, and this segment we fuse together, and after the fusion basidium forms. The basidium forms a lots of basidospores, and this basidospores forms a fruiting body. When burst out, when it comes out, they forms a fruiting body, and this fruiting body is called basidocarp, and this basidocarp is again grow into a new organism. So what are the different examples? The different examples are Agaricus, Astelligo, Pecunia. So these are the different kinds of member of the subkingdom Basidomycetes. Have you any kind of problem? If you have any kind of problem, you can ask me. Okay. Once again, I am repeating to make you understand. The sexual reproduction is by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells called basidium. The basidium forms the basidospores. When the basidospores grow, it forms a fruiting body, and this fruiting body is called basidocarps, and these basidocarps grow into a new organism. So what are the different example? Agaricus, Astelligo, Pecunia. Next, just have a simple and very quick recap. Basidomycetes is also called club fungi. The structure is just like a club shaped. So mycelium is branched. And another topic is septate, means each mycelium is separated by separating cell wall. Vegetative mode of reproduction by fragmentation. Asexual mode of reproduction absent. Sexual reproduction is done with the help of somatic cells. When two somatic cells fuse together, forms basidium. Basidium helps in the formation of basidospores, and basidospores grow into a new fruiting body called basidocarp. And examples are Agaricus, Astelligo, and Pecunia. Pecunia. Next, Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes have different kinds of sexual mode of reproduction. Means it has not a perfect kind of sexual mode of reproduction. That's why it is named under imperfect. Means the mode of reproduction is imperfect. That's why it is called fungi imperfecti. Fungi imperfecti. Understood? So in so many questions you will see, name the kind of subkingdom of kingdom fungi which is also known as fungi imperfecti. So what are they? They are Deuteromycetes, subkingdom Deuteromycetes. Now only vegetative and asexual phase is known. Sexual phase is not well known. I already told you. Vegetative means body features, body structure and shape and all you will see, and asexual phase you will see and you can able to understand, but sexual mode of reproduction is not well understood. Now again the mycelium is septate and branched as same as Basidiomycetes. Some member of Deuteromycetes are saprophytic or parasitic, means mode of nutrition. Either they act like a decomposer and absorb the food from the dead and decay substance, and in somewhere they act like a parasite and live inside the living organism and obtain the food at the cost of their body, their life. Understood? So what are the different example? Alternaria, Trichoderma and Calyptotrichum. So these are the very simple. Let's have a simple look over here. So what are the different mode or different phase of reproduction is seen in Deuteromycetes or the fungi imperfecti. Imperfecti is given the name as the sexual mode of reproduction is not well defined, or it can follow any kind of sexual mode of reproduction. That's why in any way, means it has no produce any kind of perfect fruiting body. It can reproduce anyway. So that's why they come under the fungi imperfecti. They do not follow the perfect rules and regulations of formation of fruiting body, like ascospores in Ascomycetes, Basidospore in Basidiomycetes, Alpinospore is in same way. They do not produce a special kind of fruiting body. That's why only vegetative as well as asexual phase is known in this kind of fungi. Mycelium is obviously same as Basidiomycetes, that is mycelium is septate as well as branched, and in some member the mode of reproduction is saprophytic, means they obtain the food from the dead and decomposing organic waste of the other organism or dead bodies. Some of them can live inside the living organism at the cost of their life and obtain the food from there. So the example is given over Alternaria, Trichoderma and Calyptotrichum. So hope you understand this topic very well. And here the kingdom fungi has been completed by me. In our next class we are going to study the very simple kingdom, that is kingdom Plantae as well as kingdom Animalia. The two kingdom will be completed in the same day in the part number 8. Hope for your better learning, do the homework properly, send it to me and learn it. I have made already very simple by making a lots of notes over here, so that you can study very well. If you are getting any kind of problem regarding understanding, read each and every line of the book very carefully and do the homework that is given. Understood? And remember to learn the things. If you are not understanding, ask me. I am always ready to help you. My number is there in the WhatsApp, as well as you can make me the personal WhatsApp message to understand anything. Okay, hope you are better learning. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.